Ako po si Juan Magtibay. Matagal na ako naglilinis dito sa UARM. Marami na akong nakita rito. Marami na akong nakasalamuhang pasyente, doktor, estudyante, nurse, medtech at yung mga kapwa ko empleyado. Maraming kwento rito. Hindi ko makakalimutan yung isang pasyente, si Baby Leon. Ang liit-liit niya pa nun nung pinanganak, 12 weeks premature daw. Awang-awa ako dun sa nanay. Halos araw-araw ay umiiyak at tinitignan lang ang anak niya sa NICU.
It was a mixture of emotions, of hope and despair. My baby was so small. Before going up to the NCHA, I would visit the chapel to offer up our burdens and thank God for letting me, my family, and my baby live for another day. Day after day, I would pray, hoping that I would not receive any emergency calls in the evening. The doctors, nurses, and clerks during the time were very accommodating. I was also thankful for the nurses and the nurse aide for giving us hope by sharing the previous patient's success stories. Leon was the only one staying in NCHA. I saw how the nurses and pedia resident doctors cared for him. They cuddled him for kangaroo care during the times when I was not around. There were times when I was so depressed, I wanted to give up. I did not want to have my blood extracted, nor did I want to eat. I just kept on crying. We reached 1,500 grams and were informed that we're going home the week of December 4, 2014. Everyone was excited. The doctors and nurses were around to send him home. Today, Leon is doing quite well. He's now an active, healthy boy who likes to explore and learn new things. He has come a long way. To this day, he looks at the world with highly inquisitive eyes and relishes life the way children do.
Nakakatuwa nung nakita ko yung batang bumalik dito para magpa-check up. Parang hindi na nagkakasakit. Sabi ko sa sarili ko magagaling talaga sila dito sa UARM. Naalala ko nung nagsisimula pa lang ako dito. Sa eskwelahan pa ako nakasay nun. Meron isang nursing student na talagang magaling, si Daniel.
My college life at UARM was colorful and dynamic. I was the first scholar of Dean Evangeline M. Dumlao. I was so proud to represent UARM during the oath-taking ceremony of RNs who passed the 1988 RN licensure examination. I was the number 6th placer of all the thousands of nurses who took the licensure examination. I remember being a nursing student, seeing alumni coming to our classes, lecturing, and seeing their donations, such as books and equipment, to enhance our learning, the value of giving back to our alma mater. This is why I always feel privileged and humbled to come back to UARM and give lectures and inspire others to become achievers in the nursing profession wherever they chose to practice nursing. The opportunity that UARM accorded me, the values and discipline instilled in me by UARM, made me who I am today.
Big time na ngayon yun si Daniel. Assistant Vice President na daw sa isang hospital sa New York. Kaya nga tuwing nakakakita ako ng mga estudyante na nagra-rounds dito sa hospital, alam ko na, magiging magaling na doktor, nurse, medtech ang mga batang ito. Alam mo, mga tao dito sa UARM, hindi lang magagaling, mababait pa. Hindi ko alam kung bakit halos lahat ng tao rito pare-pareho may malasakit sa kapwa. Lagi yan, taon-taon marami silang medical mission sa iba't ibang lugar. Minsan nga gabing-gabi na at nag-iimpake pa sila ng mga gamit. Magkakasalamuha lahat, mga estudyante, mga doktor, empleyado, nurses, medtech. Minsan nakikisali na rin ako. Masarap sa pakiramdam. Pero alam mo kung anong pinaka hindi ko makakalimutang kwento rito sa UARM? Yung kwento ko, matindi ang aksidente ko noon at sabi nila, Hindi na rin may sasalba yung isang pa ako. Takot na takot ako nun at sabi ko sa sarili ko, nag-aaral pa ang mga anak ko. Hindi ako pwedeng maimbalido. Kailangan pa magtrabaho. Paano ka kikilos ng isa lang ang paa, hindi ba? Pero alam mo, mabait talaga ang Diyos. Biniyayaan niya ako ng mga taong tutulong sa akin para makabalik ako sa dati kong buhay. Nung nakita ko yung bago kong paa, nakakakaba nung una. Pero inalalayan nila ako hanggang makabangon. Dumaan ako sa rehab hanggang ito na. Balik aksyon na ulit ako. Naipagpatuloy ko na ang buhay ko. Ang mga karamdaman, pag-aalaga ng kalusugan, ang panganak, parang laban yan. At dito sa UERM, marami kang kasama sa laban. At sa pagtutulungan ng lahat, kapag nanalo ka na sa laban. Pwede ka nang tumaulit. Pwede mo nang yakapin ang mga mahal mo sa buhay. Pwede ka nang mangarap muli. Magplano ng kinabukasan. Nakita ko yan. Naranasan ko pa nga yan. Kaya ngayon, kahit na matanda na ako, nagsusikap pa rin ako magtrabaho para sa kanya. Malapit na kami magka-doktor sa pamilya. Balang araw, alam ko magiging isa siya sa mga taong nakikita ko dito sa UERM. Mga magagaling at mabubuting tao. Ay yun ang pinakamalaki kong tagumpay sa buhay ko.